I'm the resident blacksmith of our apprentice.
Okay, we've kind of lost our heat again.
Now the bigger the handle, pattern going. We don't have young backs anymore. Temps and stuff.
Yeah.
And I used it to check my temps.
And get any kind of real heat out of it. Don had this one built. I always need an air.
Where do y'all buy your coal from? Cindy Lee Welding Supply. They have a bag, and I don't talk about it. I've been at John C. Campbell Folk School. I've taken probably $7 or $8 blacksmithing shop. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful. Each station has coal and a gas. So I'm there, and I'm working my fire, and the instructor's walking around, and he says, "You sure tell that you pay for your own coal?" I said, "Yeah, I was taught by someone who managed your
Side here, and that's just wasted coal, wasted heat. I haven't done craft shows for.
Tell our apprentice, you know, dress it up before you put it back in every time. Because when you're hammering, you'll get it out of shape just by the hammering. Dress it straight again, attention to detail, and it'll show in your work.
The edge. Okay, I'm gonna get it down close. All right, it goes liquid on the surface there. You can see it. We're gonna go back in here and try to do it. A lot of people think that you gotta have this big cavern of a fire and put the piece in there and heating for a welding pass. Then you gotta keep your eyes on it. You gotta watch what's happening. If you take it out too soon, well, you're not gonna get a weld. Take it out too late, you're gonna get a molten blob. Ah, there it goes. Okay, we're gonna do several welding heats right here. I could feel it go solid right there. I could feel it catch. If it doesn't, it'll slide off.
It's amazing the feel you have with the hammer when you've done it long enough. And sometimes it's a zen connection.
When you work those sides, you gotta close up that gap in there. All right, we're gonna do one more welding heat just to make sure it's there. Oh, I almost melted it.
Once you start seeing that white sparkle, it's a fine line.
Okay, the weld is done. I'm going to draw it out to the final point.
It's a habit of his. Like I said, some of the old journals, they say that's the only thing we were able to bring over into England that we did the taxes on, was the strikeout. You know, we actually had an iron embargo before we had the tea embargo. In the early 1700s.
It's just a handy example, but iron was the thing. This is right there and make it a kind of a octagon.
They actually started smeltering metals out of rock back as far as 6000 BC. And the first things that they were made
Doesn't necessarily have to be just a blade, but this blade right here